In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update Fortnite on your PS5. So make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to the Fortnite game, and then once you're on your Fortnite game, here you have to press this button, then here press X, on click check for update, and here you will see if you have any update for your Fortnite or if you have any patches for your Fortnite. So I don't have any of that, I have the latest version, but if you have any updates or patches you will see here. So from here you have to download them. So this is how you can update Fortnite on your PS5. Thanks for watching.